We'll go for you today then. Nice little IBIZA 1.2 TSI. We're doing a catback exhaust on it. So I thought I'd just do you a little before, do you a little after. It's not exciting, but if I had £1 for every time somebody asked me, oh, have you got a video of this or have you got a video of one of these? So now, if I do keep doing these videos, I'll just be able to say, click the link, there's the YouTube, we've done it before, watch the video. So turn this around. Come on, Connie, get a rev. So as far as we're aware, this is a completely standard exhaust. Like I say, it's a 1.2 TSI. So yeah, we'll get on with it, and we'll do a video after. Yep, completely standard. As you can see, back box has seen better days. Well, that'll be coming off. So catback basically will be from this joint here. We'll be doing everything there. Back with these, we'll probably just be putting one small mid res in it. We've done these before, so we know what they sound like. So one good little res in there, no back box on it. It gives you a nice sound, no drone, it's not excessive. Let's get to it. People often ask me, like, how'd you get all, mainly my friends, like, how'd you get bends off an axle and how'd you get them all right, how'd you know where to put them all? It's quite simple really. This is one off a, I remember Polo, IBIZA, Fabia, they're all the same, so this is just like a piece of pipe what we've saved. So obviously that gives you a perfect shape up of an axle, so all we do is we just, so this is, that part there is 7-inch short to silence what we've just made, so that's where that is. So as I rest that on there, that's then the centre of my bend, and I've obviously already measured all these with angle finder, so I know that's a 70-degree bend straight in the middle of that. And then obviously next one there, 75-degree bend, next one there, 15-degree bend. Basically all we do to get them all in right place is just copy it. Easy as that. much an exact replica in stainless steel. So we've got some length differences here to suit our setup. So this is only a template, we just saved it off for an old exhaust we did before, it's just a template, but that's how we get all the bends up over an axle in the right position. Let's see if it fits. Let's go see if it fits. Quick look.
What do you know? Like a glove.
Oh, like a glove. Perfect. Right, we'll get this cleaned up now and keep going. So that's middle bit made now. Just gonna get back bit bent up. Using tips what customers selected. Good choice. Nice tips. What on earth are you doing here, Carl?
Someone decided to put some crap in the exhaust, didn't they?
What on earth's all that crap in there? Looks like a wasp nest.
Yeah, it's coming out.
Ugh. Just when I thought I'd seen everything. There's a nice man, that Carl, taking it out. In all seriousness though, before old Bill started knocking at my door, that's a scrap unit. We're just knocking it out for research purposes. We don't condone any type of illegal activity here. We're actually quite proud of our carbon footprint. And there we have it. One catback exhaust finished. We'll get it down on the floor, we'll have a little listen. And I might even take it out for a little drive. Let you have a listen to it on the road.
Nice bit of noise increase. Sure he'll be happy with that.
Not bad for a 1.2.
No.
Great.
Not bad at all.
Take it out for a little spin. Right, in a beefer. Let's see if you can hear exhaust over all rattles and bangs. Come on. Come on. Wait a bit around this corner. There's help coming. Fast because we don't even know if this customer's got a black box or not. Been stung with that before. When customer's got a black box, obviously he's only a young lad, this lad, so
It's potentially has gone.
it has potentially got a black box. And also he's got gangster lean on. I mean, he's got a chair that far back. If I sit back in this chair,
In back seats.
I can literally barely see off the steering wheel. For anyone that ends up watching this video in America, this is called the British gangster lean. Exhaust fairly quiet on road, to be fair. There's more road noise than there is exhaust. It sounds alright when you get something. Like I say, I haven't absolutely hammered it because I don't know if it's got a black box. So that's it, all done. That's me sat back in office in warmth now, do a bit of editing on YouTube. I hope you like these videos. If you do, drop us a like, drop us a subscribe, and we'll keep them coming. Catch you in the next one.